Chapter 12 also very important. 12 here, the woman. Woman symbolize Israel. Or also very child, Jesus Christ. Very child, Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ was born in Israel. Here, woman Israel. Very child, Jesus. And the Antichrist used to control this world. Gentile Antichrist nation country attacked Israel. So they believe they became refused Israel. So textbook page 51, in the middle. Where is the place God prepared? God prepared a refuge for Israel. Where is the place God prepared for Israel? The number 5 below, Saudi Arabia. You read, Saudi Arabia is building a massive project called Neom City on its western coast. Believing that 444,000 Israelites will dwell there as a place of refuge and be nurtured for 3.5 years. 126 days, 60 days, 42 months, last half to the year. Now Saudi Arabia is building a set of new big city. The city name is Neom City. They are constructing now. So God provide them, Israel people, as their refuge. Neom City. So you can put internet Neom City. You know all Neom City is constructing in Saudi Arabia, western area, beside the Red Sea. So God provide them refuge for the Israel people. 42 months. Very important. This time, chapter 14, and we finish. Chapter 14, chapter 13.